You see, Governor Eranomigho Obaseki of Edo State, anywhere you are, a time will come when a Benin people, wherever you are, a time will come where Benin people, some Benin people will come out and say, wow, if we know what we know now, we would have advised Governor Obaseki to run away from terrorists about Obazee. Unfortunately, he did not. They were praising him. They were praising him. He should have run away from him. A lot of people dislike, hate, don't want to hear anything about Governor Eranomigho Obaseki. Any good thing that he does, nobody want to hear it because of terrorists about Ogbeti, Obazee. Imite normal money. You know, I don't want to say one word because I remember one of his family told me he's mentally unstable. What on me? But ima only tie. What she and I only tie because ima only ne manibudo aluoni as an excuse where was say I remember no. Ima only man do alu as an excuse. Oh me was say I wa my go me. Kiye ke ovugede no mu yowa. The Bible loyalu be koni yangele we na na nwina. Eri ya we kasi we Akobegian who have done well for the Benin people. Akobegian who is an icon in music industry. Akobegian or who. Akobegian that respect his elder. He doesn't insult his elder. So, you know, in fact, if you go around and start, I think let me speak Benin. Eti urekelo ye na uga iyo mono enegbe usenu aya bo ode unaga iyo mono enegbe me ma sho okpo ni me ya din wiwe we ma ya din me iya bati wiwe me wa gwana iwo we kedele na pa kebo no weri ni tie me we ni ye vira ehia ya avi ohun because we ma koki we say otien wotien gwe oni luga oe we obi we pa ya robi ma ya fefe no wa so eru do ko ko ba mo ko we wenu iye no bewe no yokma okma ya gwali gaye we se savior okoko no we dole mumugwe no ale ne eme be lo ma kion ma se oyifo a o iwe ni gwegun edele na o mana won no we o kan ayukmo no ekwi no we veli ma ya fefe tai ma ya no ego kon e boya ni ya mu gbe o kan sene ye when he get when he go guana e makboru no sugbo we yi wai e mario wede yi ho awota o we de Mercedes o me ma show de Mercedes e rento car no e rento car e no rento car a mero wa ma ire palo me tota o we ni yin o wo fie moto wa son ya woka muazene okuno kari when you come muazene when you iye abati oka muazene azen dan omwe owo ni akiri uwe oti kwefo wa be maige iru waye owo me ko hia ukakabogo we gwa so imaoni zedogbe let me talk to people my do people before I go into the main event. I will have to address this because I was at home yesterday, sitting in my living room. Normally, I go to sleep like, let me just say like sometimes 2, sometimes 12, sometimes even 5 a.m. Sometimes 5 a.m. I go to sleep 5 a.m. So I got somebody sent me a message. When I checked the message, it was one of my strong supporter, follower. He said, look at what terrorist Obazee said. Oh. He told me, I said, okay, send me the video. He sent me the video. But I later realized that if I click on that video, I said, no, I don't want to do it. Let me just leave it so that I can be able to swear I did not hear it. But what I did, I cut the video without listening to it to add to my evidence, you know. Evidence is not much, just like you have to, you know, a lot of people don't know how this investigation work. You can't just go to police and say, oh, police, this is what is this. You have to have evidence. You have to have overwhelming evidence. You have to have it. You'll be piling your evidence. You know, stupid, uneducated Abba that will think, oh, he's stupid. He's a fool. So you know, a terrorist, they don't know that anything they do, they put their fingerprint on it. Their fingerprint is on it. Everything they do. Ogon boy Jennifer, Umiamagmoa, Udewu, Awa Bijabati, wa Ogon Bijabati. Awa Bigewa, Era Vige Miamagmoa. Isuswa Laya Bati, Vera Bati, Bea. Why would their child be terrorizing me? Oh, we manu bana bati ero vigi me roviri me. E Jennifer Miamagmoa. Sabwa egwe me bogboe o. Awa Bera Bati, wa Bija Bati wa. Yeah, egune queen of ya. Yeah. Yeah. But maybe no logo. If person marry from Ogiame family, you know me say person not go talk to Ram again. Oh, I know a lot of Ogiame people. He wife that blood that is with his wife. He add and join a mother, a useless mother on. What be you are? Abati who are more loriari. Iyabati we to him loriari. Wa hun dun wa gbonwelu hun dun ana. Iyabati we me wa mwe bogbe na. E boya fefefe no we tie me unwo yi. Olokun e wo se ogbo egbabati. No dey by wo ga wo no ma dey by osaba ege ga wo. So so the reason why I'm saying this, I feel for Governor Eranomigho Obaseki, because a lot of people don't like Obaseki because of terrorists about Obazee, because he's the one that empower him and Barrister Osadiogi. They empower him, they gave him money, they pamper him to become what he is today. It is a pity upon everything Obaseki did. Though people did not want to hear it, they don't want to see it because of one person. Let's move forward. I'm coming back to this matter. I told you people that this video is going to be very brutal. It's going to be very, very brutal. I mind my business. What I do, when you offend me, you terrorize me, I go to the law enforcement agency, I will make my report. If you bully my children or one way or the other, I gather the evidence, I'll go straight to the law enforcement, I make a report. I don't have time for for all these things. All I did is to dance with my infinity. That's all I did yesterday. Oh, I went to the FBI office too. That's the only two things I did. I danced with my infinity, my almighty infinity. Immediately he saw that dance with infinity. He did not sleep. He knew the sleep because of jealousy, envy, obsession. You cannot be Eranomigho. You can never be Eranomigho. Number one, you have no credibility. Number two, you are a criminal. You are a criminal, a terrorist, a fraudster, cyber criminal. That is what you are. For you to be Eranomigho, you have to go back to Senegal, suffer in Dakar, labor in Dakar, go to Quebec, suffer in Quebec, go to Belgium, suffer, come to New York, come to America. You cannot be Eranomigho. For 8 years, you were with ruling government. Ruling government. You know better. You ask Obaseki. Obaseki asked you, what do you want him to do for you? You say he should carry you to abroad. He carried you. He did it for you. One way or the other. He gave you the money. Obaseki wife gave you the money. Your wife were receiving SSA money. They put your wife on payroll without working. Even though me and Eddie Murphy, we are enemy. What you did to Eddie Murphy and Stainless, Abba, what you did to Eddie Murphy and Stainless is only God Almighty that can forgive you. Do you know how many years Governor Enonga said Obaseki paid Eddie Murphy money I think it's every 2 weeks or every week? And Stainless, Abba were collecting the money. The only reason why Abat is angry with Osagbovoyua is because Osagbovoyua did not want to play ball with him. Do you want to know that? Was Obaseki not paying you to give Eddie Murphy money let's just say every month? You were collecting diaspora media money. You were collecting Eddie Murphy money. Eddie Murphy, Obaseki allocate money for Eddie Murphy separately. He allocate money for Stainless separately. All this money is what Abad collected. Swear. You went to Osagbovoyua. You told Osagbovoyua, Naso Zame, they do amo. Money where Obaseki they sent to Eddie Murphy, now you they collect them. Money where Obaseki they sent to Stainless, now you they collect them. Money where be Edo diaspora media, Obaseki allocate for Edo diaspora media money. Abba collected it for all these years. Everybody will support Abba for diaspora, they not get 1 penny. Abba is worse than a demon. Abat is worse than a demon. Abat family, the mother and the papa, they use Edo people, Eddie Murphy money, Stainless money, and the Edo diaspora media money. That is what he's using. Is it true or false? Did you not collect Eddie Murphy money? Did you not collect Stainless money? But Eddie Murphy, you collected their money. Stainless, you collected their money. They supported Dennis and Okpewuru today. Their family is now the deputy governor. That is how life is. For 8 years, Abat will not have peace. Because there is no way for him to be getting that money. Why is he not working? Why have he not worked in Europe? Why have he not worked? Acquired. If we were in Nigeria now, I will carry you go away. You are not in Nigeria. So if you were in Nigeria, now first of all, Nigeria is easy. Bruh. I for don't pick you up. I for don't arrest you. That is number one. And once I arrest you, let me see anybody that dare say, I want to come to the police station. So I have never embezzled people's money. Say I go meet Obaseki, say this morning I for diaspora, I'll come put down for pocket. Never. I've not close to government. Government have not empowered me. I am struggling on my own. As old as I am now, I'm doing what the young people supposed to do. But it's very painful me seeing it, that the young people that are supposed to do this are not doing it. I put it upon myself. Then you just go online. Okay, let me quickly say this. Whether you like it or not, and though people like it or not, I want to ask you people a question. Have you ever seen a situation where one person will come out, the most permanent person, the number one on social media, he will start fighting with no cause? The most number one in new era music in Edo, Akobeja, he will start fighting him. The number one political citizen in Edo, he will start fighting him without problem. Okpe will just enter power. There are many things that is disturbing him. He thought that I would be insulting Okpewuru when he could not succeed, because he wants somebody to join him among of the people that will not enter Edo for 8 years. I am not a part of that. I'm an APC independent man. I go to Bini anytime I want. My party is in power now. And don't make people start running away from Igodalo, because I don't know why Igodalo came to your show. I don't know why Igodalo started talking to you at all. Don't make me just run away. I can't just because of you. I will just leave them alone. I will go and meet Okpewuru. I don't want to be in a room with you. And I do not want to disobey Igodalo. I do not want the situation where Igodalo will say, Eranomigho, leave him, I'll take care of him. I don't want that. They have not gone to court now. Court have not made decision now. Nobody know how he's going to go now. You cannot say now, oh, because Eranomigho know that Okpewuru will win or Igodalo will win. That is why I did that. You cannot say that now. Nobody know where the case is going to go now. I can just decide to just pull myself out completely. Because of you. Because you people chased me away during the election. Igodalo is a smart man, a good man. He know what I did for him. I know the advice he gave me one-on-one. I know how he take care of me. So I do not want a situation whereby he will not call me, I will be running. Okay. That is it for that. You see, when a governor leave power, a governor in another state that did not do half of what Obaseki did in their state, they will be celebrated. Why is though people not celebrating Obaseki? Is because terrorists about Obaseki contribute 80% raising of it. Obaseki did not know that he was married to Ogiame family. Or maybe he knows. That is why they empower him. They empower him so that he can fight me. He could not. Obaseki, for 8 years, he's been fighting me. Obaseki, what he only did is to be able to destroy my Facebook and my network. But Eranomigho will still speak. I will speak with even 10,000 followers, or 20,000 followers, or 30,000 followers. It will carry weight. Someone that have 2 million followers will speak, it will just be babash because of credibility. Credibility, speak the truth and let the truth set you free. Albert, you and your mama una not where. You and your papa not where. Your papa farm you know the fit carry. Your mama gari you know the fit fry. There nobody know in a village. Una just dey beneath there. They file now take collect money, people money. They scam here and there, they survive. But papa, my mama, the village, they walk. Even as my papa no way, she still they go farm. You can call my family any name. You can never call them Obewe family. Because you are struggling, you just want to be making money. Your car coming here, chief of staff, you come bring the new governor. Governor will never even reach 2 months for office. No good boy, no work boy. Campaign is over. Election is over. Why are you still campaigning, Albert? What is your problem? Are you the owner of Edo State? From today, anytime you bring a matter come out, I will come out, dislodge you. Dislodge that matter. Ofo utiene. Anytime. What is your problem? You want to count your own problem on me? When we get problem with Buwesi, Akobeya mwebok buene. Akobeya have laid cost on you, and Akobeya cost is already working on you. Why are you trying to drag other people into what you have used your hand to cause? What about Akobeya agboe? Because Akobeya not get what he do you. Oh boy, see. Now your hand you take draw this wahala. Akobeya not get what he do you. He don't get what he do you. Now you take your mouth talk and say, I not get what I do you. Now you take your mouth talk and wait. I bet Mona, I never even share this video. I tell you I say today's show go brutal. Mona just relax. It go brutal, eh? It go brutal. Hey, money not good. Hey, if to say I get money, I for day lease police station right now. I went to the FBI office. I know what the FBI told me, what they told me. I know what they asked me to do. So, for this America, dear me, try me. Oh, come on, this boy is just you are just I don't be Yahoo family. I be security family, military family, law enforcement family. You see my daughter at the university. What did they do? University security team. She they work there as a security officer. She they go school. She still they work. Myself, ungo security. I want to open my own security firm now. My own. My wife, unko bangara. My subliso, United States Army, police. I tell you, hey, I will use the law enforcement agency to fry you fry you like a chicken. They will hunt you and your network, your syndicate. They will hunt them like a goddamn motherfucking rabbit. And not until your network, your cyber network fraud criminals are jail, I will not rest. Anyone that does criminality or anything criminal with you or business with you, they will share out of the problem. You are playing with fire. You know what you told to somebody that Eranomigho, only Eranomigho. Let me tell you. You went to go and rent it. You say now you talk and say your motor spoil. Whether they say you say the marker insurance give you motor. They can't give you a temporary vehicle that you'll be using. Mercedes. You came to the whole world and tell them you buy Mercedes. I not talk put. I not tell anybody say na rent you rent her. Acquired. Say na rent a car. I'm my business. So maybe when it's time, you know say you want to return the motor to the rental car. You can't say na Eranomigho they drive her. Now your papa and your mama they drive your car for night. Eranomigho fi motor or abati. Ogun ogbera bi you e. Abati no your base. Ogun ogbera no base. Eranomigho fi motor or fi eva son fi eva van. You don't talk say you get power. Go meet Okpewuru for go meet Yaibu. Go and meet Yaibu in Edona. Dear, go to Bini, go and meet Yaibu. You don't say now you know the medicine where they cure Bini. Eta moto now, go and meet Yaibu. Go to Bini, go and meet Yaibu. We are here. Go. Test yourself. Body. Test yourself. How better you are. May God punish your papa and your mama. Small boy. 1982 and 1983, small boy. Criminal. You were they almost killed in South Africa. South Africa for Mexico, money where you carry rock come out to call. Ogun boy, awa bera wa biwa. Iyu agbe o. Iyu a lori ari abati. Awa biwa. Kuwe kawoku weni awa biya wabu waiva wa ufugede numukia. Umame wo kan we bo yo egbe bakobe. Oho yo egbe. Uwe we wa ni. Bo yo egbe. May I show you the picture when the time when Uriyo wo kan we lo ye. Well, I be a black over all your egg. A bonny I mugbo your boy pop. Where we are, Hagway and well over lavi. Oh, Hago where we and where Uamina. How can somebody just wake up? He just wake up, he say, according to them, he say, I never watched the video. I don't want to watch the video. If not, I for just watch the video. I don't want to watch it. How can somebody with just wake up? He say another person they can't drive in motor. You don't call your mama when you say you carry come UK. In every 2 weeks, your mother don't they drive your motor. If you are not care, say save your pa. On a tia wepo. On my busoleva, una so amwasa wa. When my you will move your was and all over. Uda. Or monoma de bay. Person say you make you carry your mother. Eh? If person they drive your motor, tell your mama, you feel a motor. Tell me you are about to bell. Tell me you are Loriari. A repa, when no repos aboka. Rapist. Child molester. You just come out. I can't run it. Why don't do that? What now you are let to Peburu? Now you are let to Peburu. Now you put to Peburu for that position. Eh? Now you are let to Peburu. Okpeburu is doing good. Okpewuru is doing good. Go and hang yourself. Okpewuru is doing good. I not believe say Okpewuru go fit do all these things when they do before. You don't see appointment where commissioner where break come out. Well educated, sound children of Edo. People like Professor Dr. Washington Sifo. Obabe Attorney General. Sasino Sagi. Erere Onwano. Okpe will not put people when they don't know. You don't see Seri or Shomule have been up so they call her. People when they don't know. Anybody who Okpe will put for power. You go ask this one, you go say, I know her. The one wanna push Obaseki do. No Obaseki swallow egg be about it. You just come out at the fact for Obaseki. At the fact, oh boy. La like you, oh boy. Oh, you. Which Obaseki they fight for? Shame not they worry you. Obaseki when they fight for is improving. You never hear her. Obaseki, God go bless her. You know, as old as Obaseki, no problem, no concern her. Obaseki have moved on. Obaseki is in, I told the people 2 days ago that Obaseki is in America. I not tell her 2 days ago. Last week I not tell her say Obaseki in America. Last 2 weeks I not tell her. Nonsense. The day I will go personally go and visit him. I will buy a ticket. I will go to the state that he is. I will go there. I will go and visit him. Ipa ire do tour. Ogbetina Oriawa administration war. I don't get time to carry enemy for anybody. I'm going to live my easy life. Any day you come out, I will come out, come insult your mama, come insult your papa. Because you know the value person will do good for now.